Dad, where we are going?
Today we are going to the coffee shop.
Oh, yay! Coffee shop!
Look, we have come to the coffee shop.
Dad, let's go inside. Yes, let's go. What do you want, sir?
We want 3 cups of coffee.
Okay, sir. Dad, what do they mix in coffee?
They mix milk, coffee powder and sugar.
Oh, that's why they are so sweet. That's why I love them. I learned in the class that this is a kind of a mixture because many substances are mixed in it. Dad, can we separate these mixtures?
Yes, my dear child, we can separate these mixtures by the methods of separation of substances.
What are these methods of separating substances?
The method adopted to separate components from a mixture depends on the properties of all the components of the mixtures, like size of the particles and solubility, etc. We can separate a solid substance from other solids, an insoluble solid substance from liquids, and soluble substances from liquids. To separate solid substances from other solids, there are various processes, that is, sieving, handpicking, tracing, and winnowing. And to separate insoluble substances from liquids, we have sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Also, to separate soluble substances from liquids, we have evaporation and condensation and distillation.
Will you explain more about this? Hooray!
Sieving. In this method, a sieve appropriate hole size is used to separate the components of a mixture. This method can be used when the components of a mixture differ in size. Handpicking. In this method, the undesirable solid substance is separated from useful substances by hand. Tracing. It is the process of separating components by beating or by using machines. It is particularly used in agricultural fields. Winnowing. It is a method of separating lighter components in a mixture from the heavier ones with the help of force of wind and air. Magnetic separation. This method is used to separate magnetic materials from a mixture. Sedimentation and decantation. These methods are used to separate an insoluble solid substances from a liquid. Though by this method, complete separation is not possible. Sedimentation. It is the process in which the heavier particles of an insoluble solid in a liquid settle down at the bottom. This mass of solid particles of an insoluble solid in a liquid settle down at the sediment. And decantation, it is a process that follows sedimentation. It involves pouring out the liquid without disturbing the sediment. The liquid that is poured out still contains some insoluble solid particles.
Dad, I want to learn about Kent RO filter. How it filtrates the junk materials.
Yes, my child. It is known as filtration. Filtration is the process of separating insoluble solid particles present in a liquid. It is also used to separate pulp from fresh juice and for preparing cottages at home. During sedimentation, the finer particles take longer time to settle down. They can be made to settle fast by dissolving some quantity of alum. This method is called loading. The process of setting down of finer insoluble solid in liquid by using alum is called loading.
Dad, what is this steam blowing up from the coffee in this figure?
This is called the water vapor, which is blown on heating by the process of evaporation.
What is that evaporation?
The process of converting a liquid into its vapor by heating is called evaporation. As a result of heating, the liquid evaporates, leaving behind the solid component. And its just opposite is condensation. The process of changing water vapor into its liquid form on cooling is called condensation. The method is used when the liquid component of mixture is desirable. When water comes in contact with a cold surface, it changes into drops of condensation. This process is mostly used in refrigeration and air conditioning. Distillation is the process of heating water to form water vapor or steam and then cooling the hot water vapor to get liquid back.
It is too late, Dad. But the waiter does not come till yet. Let's go, Dad.
Okay, then let's go. Thank you.
For watching this video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Recap. Separation of solids, substances from other solids. First process, sieving. Second process, hand picking. Third process, tracing. Fourth process, winnowing. Separation of insoluble solid substances from liquids. First number process, sedimentation. Second number process, decantation. Third number process, filtration. Separation of soluble substances from liquids. First number process, evaporation and condensation. Second number process, distillation.
Please like and subscribe our channel. Learn something new.